My name is Nurdini Batisha binti Ahmad Maizi. My metric number is 2025897496.
My name is Nur Anis Natasha binti Fazil. My matrix number is 2025212944.
Hi, my name is Rabiha Auni binti Rosman. My metric number is 2025691932.
Hi, my name is Nur Zainab binti Muhammad Nasrul. My metric ID is 2025816144.
First question. Calculate the amount of money that Mr. Daniel will have in his investment account with bank X after 8 years. For this question, we have to use this formula. What is I? I equals to K per M. As for our K, it's 6.2% and as our M is 12 because it's compound monthly. As for our N equals to MT. Our M is 12 and our T is 8 because it's 8 years and equals to 296. To substitute in the formula, our P is 180,000, 1 plus 6.2% per 12, close the bracket and power of 96. And we got S equal to RM 295,207.62. Next, we move on to our second question. Our second question is, calculate the maturity value of the investment under Bank Y after 8 years. This question, we also have to use the same formula. As for our I, it's different. I equal to K per M. As for our K, 6.55% per 4. 4 because it's compound quarterly. As for our N equal to MT. Our M is 4 and our T is 8 because it's 8 years equals to 32. Now we just have to substitute in the formula. Our P is 180,000, bracket 1 plus 6.55% per 4, power of 32. S equal to 302,691.12 cents. So our third question, based on your calculation in A and B, determine which bank offered the better return. Provide justification. Based on the table, Bank X equal to 295,207.62, while Bank Y equals to 302,691.90 cents. Answer is Bank Y. It is because the maturity value of Bank Y more higher than Bank X. That is 7,483 ringgit.27 cents.
So now we have to calculate the new maturity value after 8 years for Mr. Daniel. So the formula is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket and square root. So the P is 220,000, M is 4, T is 8, and I equals to K per M. It was 0.0655 per 4. So we use the interest from Bank B, which is Bank Y. So the N is M multiplied T, and it was 32. So now we have to put all of this information into the formula. So the final answer is 369,945 ringgit 81 cent. Calculate the duration T in years of the investment. So here we have to use compound amount formula. It was S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket and square root. So we already have the compound amount. It was S. The S here is 9,420 ringgit 80 cent. So the P is the principal. It was amount of money deposited. It was 7,500. The I, it was interest per period. It was K per M, where the K is the nominal rate. Here is 4.25% or 0.045 per M. So M is the number of time interest calculated in a year. It was compounded quarterly. So it means it was 4 times in a year. So our M is 4. And now we have to find the N. So N is the M multiplied P. So our M is already have, it was 4. So the T we have to find. So now we just have to put all of the information into the formula. Last, we got our T is 5 years. Now we move to the part B, question 1. So here we have to find the future value of Aisha investment. So the future value here is S equals to R bracket 1 plus I bracket and square root minus 1 per I bracket. So we have to find the R. R is the periodic payment. So the periodic payment here is 1,020 hundredths. And I is interest rate per period. It was K per M. K is the nominal rate. So the nominal rate is here is 4.8% or 0.04x. And the M is the how and the number of time interest calculated in a year. So here they told that it was compounded quarterly. It means it's 4 times per year. So the M is 4. Now we have to find the N. N is M multiply T. So T is term in years. So the terms in year here is 10 year. It was 10-year period. So now we have to put all of this information into the formula. So the amount of Aisha investment at the end of the 10-year period is 61,146 ringgit 36 cents.
For this question, we will use this future value formula. S equals to 16,000, R equals to 250, I equals to 5% divided by 12, N equals to 12 times T. The information given, we need to apply into the formula. It will be 16,000 equals to 250 bracket 1 plus 5% divided by 12 power of 12t minus 1 divided by 5% divided by 12 bracket. After that, 5% divided by 12 need to move at the left side. Then it will be 16,000 times 5% divided by 12 equals to 250 bracket 1 plus 5% divided by 12 power of 12 times t minus 1 bracket. Then it will be 250 equals to 250 bracket 1.004166667 bracket power of 12 times t minus 1. 250 divided by 250 equals to bracket 1.004166667 bracket power of 12 times t minus 1. After that, you will get 1 equals to bracket 1.004166667 bracket power of 12 times t minus 1. Then for minus 1, you need to move at the left side. Then it will be 2 equals to bracket 1.004166667 bracket power of 12 times t. Then we use ln for both sides to simplify it. Then it will be ln bracket 1.004166667 bracket power of 12 times t equals to ln 2. By taking the natural log, we need to bring down the 12 times t in front at the left side. Then it will be 12 times t ln bracket 1.004166667 bracket equals to ln 2. Then t equals to ln 2 divided by 12 ln bracket 1.004166667 bracket. Then t equals to 40. After that, the question says that Amir started the deposit when he was 6 years old. Then you need to plus them. B, t equals to 40 plus 6. Then his current age will be 20 years old. Then we move to question 2a. Find the monthly payment. To search the down payment, you need to 350,000 minus bracket 350,000 times 20% bracket. Then it will be 17,000. Then for price of condominium left is 350,000 minus 17,000 equals to 218,000. Then for this question, we will use present value formula. And A will be 218,000. R that we need to search. N equals to 12 times 30 equals to 316. I equals to 4% divided by 12 will be 1 divided by 300. Then all the information we need to apply into the formula. Then it will be 218,000 equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 4% divided by 12 bracket power of negative 316 divided by 4% divided by 12 bracket. Then you will get 218,000 equals to R bracket 209.461240 bracket. Then R equals to 218,000 divided by 209.461240. Then the answer will be 1,336.76.
So question B. If he fails to pay for the first 7 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 8th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? So information fails or missed payment, we must use future value. So I equals to 0.04 divided by 12 and N equals to 8 because we want to find the amount of 8 payment. So if you can see, the formula is already there. So I just apply the numbers directly into it. So S equals to RM 1,336.76 multiplied by bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 bracket power of 8 minus 1 divided by 0.04 divided by 12 bracket. So S equals to RM 1,336.76 times 8.093958. So the final answer is S equals to 10,890 ringgit and 68 cents. Question C. Calculate the outstanding balance if Hafiz decided to settle the loan in single payment immediately after paying for 10 years. So we mentioned payment immediately or settlement early, we must use present value. So the formula is already there, so I just apply into it. So N equals to 20 times 12 and N equals to 240. I equals to 0.04 divided by 12. So A equals to RM 1,336.76 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 bracket power of negative 240 divided by 0.04 divided by 12 bracket. So A equals to RM 1,336.76 times 165.0218582, and the final answer is A equals to 220,594 ringgit and 62 cents. I forgot to mention how did I get 20. Long term is 13 years. Since 10 years have already been paid, so the remaining period is 20.
Thank you.